Welcome, tech enthusiasts, to an exhilarating exploration of the future of transportation. Today, we're diving headfirst into the world of self-driving cars and how AI is driving a revolution on our roads. Make sure to hit that subscribe button, because this journey is one you won't want to miss. Close your eyes and picture this. You step out of your home, and there it is, your trusty autonomous car, ready to whisk you away on a futuristic journey. But this isn't science fiction. This is the incredible reality unfolding before our very eyes. Brains behind the wheel. What makes these self-driving cars so extraordinary? It's all in the brains behind the wheels, the artificial intelligence that powers them. These vehicles are not just cars, they're rolling supercomputers equipped with an arsenal of sensors, cameras, radar, and LiDAR systems. But the real magic happens inside. It's the AI software. AI algorithms process data from these sensors in real time, making split-second decisions about steering, acceleration, braking, and navigation. It's like giving the car the ability to think and react like a seasoned human driver. Enhanced safety. Now, here's the game changer: enhanced safety. Self-driving cars are set to eliminate the leading cause of accidents on the road: human error. With AI constantly vigilant, accidents caused by fatigue, distraction, or impaired driving could soon be a thing of the past. These cars don't get tired, distracted, or engage in risky behavior. They follow traffic rules to the letter and communicate seamlessly with each other, making the roads safer for everyone. The future of transportation. But what does the future hold for self-driving cars? Buckle up, because it's about to get even more exciting. Urban mobility revolution. Self-driving cars will redefine how we navigate cities. Ride-sharing services will become more convenient and affordable than ever, reducing the need for private car ownership. Imagine a cityscape where traffic congestion becomes a distant memory. Accessibility for all. These autonomous vehicles will bring newfound mobility to those who can't drive, ensuring inclusivity and independence for all. The elderly and disabled will gain unprecedented access to transportation, empowering them to live more fulfilling lives. Economic impact. Self-driving cars are set to disrupt various industries, creating new job opportunities in AI development, vehicle maintenance, and more. The ripple effect of this technology will reshape the job market and the economy as a whole. Environmentally friendly driving. Eco-friendly commutes. AI will optimize driving patterns, leading to more fuel-efficient and eco-friendly transportation. Electric and hybrid self-driving cars will reduce emissions, contributing to the fight against climate change. Enhanced productivity. Commute time can now be transformed into productive work or leisure time. Imagine catching up on emails, reading a book, or simply enjoying some downtime while your autonomous vehicle takes care of the driving. This could boost our productivity and quality of life. Challenges and hurdles. But it's not all smooth sailing on the road to self-driving utopia. There are challenges to overcome. Technical hurdles, such as perfecting the AI algorithms, ensuring the robustness of sensors, and addressing software vulnerabilities, must be meticulously tackled. Additionally, regulatory concerns, ethical questions about AI decision-making, and the potential for cybersecurity risks must be carefully addressed to ensure a safe and equitable transition to autonomous transportation. In conclusion, the future of self-driving cars isn't just about changing how we move. It's about redefining our entire relationship with transportation. We're on the brink of a revolutionary transformation that will reshape our cities, our economy, and our lives. So, if you're as excited about the future as we are, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and join the conversation in the comments below. The future of self-driving cars is here, and it's an electrifying journey into the unknown. As we bring this captivating journey into the future of self-driving cars to a close, one thing is abundantly clear: The automotive landscape is evolving at an exhilarating pace, driven by the incredible power of AI. We've seen how AI is transforming our daily commutes, making them safer, more efficient, and accessible to all. We've witnessed the potential for self-driving cars to revolutionize urban mobility, reduce emissions, and create entirely new industries. Yet we must acknowledge the challenges ahead, from technical complexities to regulatory concerns. But with innovation and determination, these hurdles are not insurmountable. So, dear viewers, stay informed, stay engaged, and stay excited about the future. The world of self-driving cars is unfolding before our eyes, and you are a part of this exciting journey. Keep your seatbelts fastened, for the road ahead promises to be an electrifying one. Thank you for joining us today, and until our next adventure, remember to stay safe, stay curious, and embrace the transformative potential of self-driving cars. The future is closer than you think.